If you use Articulate Storyline to train on computer procedures, you may have been frustrated before, like me, if you're looking at one of your step-by-step mode courses and the button you want to show gets highlighted before you click on it, or a tooltip pops up. It's especially frustrating with practices because if the button highlights before they click on it, it's basically giving away the answer. Well, there is a super secret and super easy way to fix this. So what you do is you go to the slide where that highlighting is happening that you don't want. You right-click and select Action Fine-Tuning. So Storyline had pulled an individual screenshot out of your original capture video. And what Action Fine-Tuning lets you do is just pick a different frame from the video where it's not highlighted. So what you need to do is just click, usually it's the previous frame button, just click that enough times until the highlighting goes away. Now you have the perfect screenshot, you're not giving any answers away, and it just takes a few seconds to do it.